farming, the practice of keeping cows for milk production, is one of Kenya's most important agricultural activities. According to Kenya Dairy Board, dairy contributes 4% of Kenya's total GDP and nearly 14% of the agricultural GDP. The sector supports more than 2 million smallholders farmers, making it one of the most largest sources of rural employment.
My name is Nixon Mongi Kamal, a veterinarian who has taken a course in Bachelor's of Science in Animal Health and Production in Mount Kenya University. I have 2 years experience dealing with livestock and dairy cows in Nyandarua County, where I've been attending to farmers, giving them advice and treating their animals.
Regions with cool and fertile highlands such as central Kenya, Rift Valley, and parts of eastern are the heart of the country's dairy belt.
This is Billionaire from Nyandarua County, Kinangop Grading location. My farm is located at Nyandarua County, South Kinangop, a few kilometers from Naivasha Highway.
Favorable climate, reliable rainfall, and good pastures make these areas ideal for milk production. Kenyan farmers rear several breeds: Frisian, Ayrshire, Guernsey, Jersey, and the local Zebu. Among them, Frisian breed stands out as the most milk producer, with high-yielding cows capable of producing about 40 liters a day under proper management.
Yeah, there are several breeds of dairy cows. We have Frisians, we have Holsteins, we have Ayrshire's, we have Fleckvian, we have Guernseys, we have Sahiwal, and we have others that are not very popular when it comes to dairy farming. But for the most part, the popular dairy animals include the Frisians, which are the highest producers of milk.
The government has rolled out policies to boost industries from subsidized artificial insemination and livestock insurance with the revival of school milk programs.
The children who are going to school, they're able to get milk, and it was really for the first time when the government was providing that facility, the school milk. We saw a lot of increase in the number of registration of school-going children. It also helped in terms of their nutrition.
But challenges remain. Farmers face high feed costs, unstable milk prices, poor infrastructure, and the impact of climate change.
Challenges, of course, there are diseases. Much as we are on zero grazing, but we get intruders like dogs, they bring the ticks. So even if we spray, eventually we get East Coast fever. Then human resource is also another challenge. Then the price of milk. So those are the main challenges that I normally face.
And that cow is giving me 30 liters. From that, we became friends, so I've now visited him here at his place in Kenya. I'm hoping to take another cow when I'm going back. Thank you, Paulito, for being a good person, a good guy, a trustworthy person. We trust you and we hope for the best. Thank you, Paulito.
I really thank you guys for continue watching at Polito Farm. Our YouTube is called Polito Farm, TikTok Polito Farm, Instagram Polito Farm, and even Facebook Polito Farm. We are growing well, and I really thank you guys. Let's continue watching. Let's buy the cow so that at least we can grow together. Asanteni sana. My name is Daniel Kihora, and today I'm so happy and I'm so excited. Asanteni kabisa.